to go to the next show in 10 minutes?
It took her a minute, but you can tell her voice is sweet, sugary, absolutely wonderful. Now don't let that fool you though. These guys actually hold the record as being some of the loudest members of the parrot family. Their call has actually been registered in louder than your average. Feathers. Where are your feathers today? Holding off on us, Petey. What do you got? Oh, you're gonna turn around and do it? Why not? Perhaps, maybe, yes, no? Typical cockatoo, you know what, sometimes for whatever reason. All right, you might notice with her feathers in the air, she looks larger when they're up there. So it is a great way for these guys to be a little bit more intimidating to other cockatoos or even